Hello and welcome to the video tutorial of Substance Painter. In this video we are going to talk about that if we import any model into the Substance Painter here, it will come as a single file. But we need this model to be import it with the different part. For example, this model I have imported in here, it is created with the two part, which is outer shell and inner shell. But the thing is, the model a whole model is imported here as a single file. I want this to be different parts, so how can I make this as a different part? I can show you again that if I use this new project, selecting my this Bifrost here, and this should be checked on because we are using U dimension tile. So this should be checked on because we are using the different texture here, different maps of the different bodies. That's why we have to check this on and click on OK. And I don't want to save this project, click on discard again. So it will automatically come with this single file. So I want this to be different parts. I'm going to the ZBrush. Inside of ZBrush I have this mesh I imported here. Click here, and by clicking on the shift F you can turn on the color of the auto groups and group polygroups. Press shift F and automatically the group is turned on. And from here, this is your subtool, and the how many parts your model is consist of, it will come here. So I want this to import into the ZBrush with the different texture set file with the different map. So click here, and I want to split two parts. Okay, it is splitted in two parts while clicking on the auto groups. Control Z. I want to show you to again it to you how can we create this again. So I'm going to use this ZBrush again. So the thing is, if you want to import anything into the Substance Painter, you need to different file here so that you can create different texture on it. I'm going to import my file from this file I created with the Fusion 360. Click here, click on edit. Now press shift, click right button of mouse, and now the thing is you have to press shift plus F so that you can see the polygroups here. Control W is the shortcut for the grouping each of these in with a single color. Each and every model you are looking to the skin, and if you press Control W, it will automatically group them all. But we need it to be the polygroup so that we can make each and every part in this model with the different colors. So we are using this polygroups here and press on auto group. Now we have two parts here. Now we want this both two parts to be split into two forms. So we are going to split it like this, split into parts. Click OK. Now the parts are splitted into two. This is our first model which have created, and this is our second. So this is the both part, this is both these both parts we want to import into the uh, into the Substance Painter. So we are going to the Z plugin here, click on to the UV master. While clicking on to the UV master, click on polygroups, because we want to make texture map of each and every parts in this model with the different map with the different part. So click on polygroups and click on unwrap all. If you click on unwrap all, it will automatically create a texture map of this both shell, inner shell and out shell. It is completed. Now you can also locate through the morph UV. Just completing. Yeah, it's completed. Now we are going to the this UV map here, and if you click on, this is our first object, and if I click on this, this is our second object. This is how we create texture map. Okay, click on this texture map, UV map. I want this also to be more fit like this. Okay, we are going to use it again. Click here, go to the Z plugin. All visible components should be checked on, and click on to the unwrap all. I think it is correct now. The next step after this is to exporting. You have to keep in mind that while you export it from the ZBrush, you should not use this button here, because it will export only those component which you have selected here. So to export it with this on texture, we have to go through the Z plugin. You can also create this texture from the with Maya or anything like that, but this is the easiest step to create a texture map, so that you can import it into the Substance Painter. So I want to export it. Click onto the FBX export import. Click all, means all component which which your scene is consist of, it will automatically select all of the component. And do not use this as normal when you are working with the sharp edges. You can use this, but it will show some errors in the 3D model when you import into the Substance Painter. It will show some errors with the gradient smoothness. So to remove this smoothness error, you can turn this off, and if you are working on the body like a structure, you can turn it on. We are using embedded map, and we are going to export it with these textures. So click on export. We are going to import it here by Frost. Click OK. The file is exported. Now let's check the file is come with the two components or not. So click on to the new, use this select option here, Bifrost. Which one is this? I think The large one should be the, okay, just check it. Just checking it. Only getting single comment means this was not the file. Yeah, we get two bodies here. So this is how you can import and export your 3D model with the different parts. More videos on this I can upload if you comment in the comment box. Hope you like this video. Support and subscribe to this channel, and comment in the comment box if you have any difficulty regarding this software. I will more upload videos on this topic. This was just a short video. Thank you for watching.